In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching one of your apps to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then click on the icon of it available at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. In order to scale your window, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it as well. To turn it into a bubble, click on Home button, and to access it, just click on the bubble. To use more options of pop-up view, click on this line at the top and operate them however you wish to. To close your window, you can swipe it in the background. You can drag it to remove section. Over here. You can turn it into a bubble and drag it to remove section too. Or click on this line at the top and select X icon at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!